Mastering polite English. Is this seat taken? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common but important phrase. Is this seat taken? This simple question can be your key to navigating social situations more smoothly, especially in English-speaking environments. Let's unravel the layers of this phrase and understand how to use it effectively. Is this seat taken? Is a polite question used to inquire if a seat is currently occupied or reserved for someone else. This question is not just about the physical presence of someone in the seat but also about whether the seat is available for you to use. It's a perfect example of using courteous language to respect others' personal space and reservations. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various settings. In public transportation, buses, trains, and subways, where seats are often limited. At social gatherings, like meetings, conferences, or dining places, where seating arrangements might be informal. In educational settings, such as classrooms or libraries, where finding a spot to settle down is essential. Using, "Is this seat taken?" shows that you are considerate of others' comfort and the unspoken rules of public or shared spaces. Understanding possible responses is crucial for effective communication. Here are a few. Yes, it's taken. This means the seat is occupied or reserved. It's polite to then look for another seat. No, go ahead. Or, no, it's free. These responses indicate that the seat is available, and you're welcome to use it. I'm not sure. In this case, the person might not know if the seat is taken, often in public areas. It's best to wait a bit or find another seat to avoid confusion. To truly master this phrase, practice is key. Try role-playing with a friend or in front of a mirror. Practice different scenarios where you might need to ask if a seat is taken, and imagine the possible responses. This exercise will boost your confidence and prepare you for real-life situations. We hope this video sheds light on the polite and practical phrase, "Is this seat taken?" Remember, mastering such phrases can significantly improve your English communication skills, making you more confident and respectful in social interactions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice. See you in the next video. This approach not only teaches the phrase but also provides context, making it easier for English language learners to understand and apply the knowledge in their daily interactions.